Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini gilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Ta kinhun tohkit SIT jong Meghalaya Police kalawan ra shillong ye ki laingut ki bla shakem. Ha kamukot duma penyap yo Raja Raghuvanshi. Kini kilong usilome James nong di Jaka ubalbir akhir bar balu unong am bad uloken drasing tomar utrai flat. Silome James lakem hadian belalap ba udan benta haga jeng penjat ikisaki satar layo kurup na ka pistol ar magazine ar point life ar ammunition but san pho hajar tingka nakakali jong Ubalu unong ab haka flat jong sonam ha indoor lakem na Ashok Nagar. Tomar utrai flat lakem na Gwalia hadin ba ulap head sya Uttaraksh sata kajing tohkit kapin I bah kasonam bat uraj kushwaha kidai ki rangba patba jong kajing yam. Lapenyap yo raja hasora ha ka arplai trik ujimang bat lalap ya ka met yap ha ka artrik ujiliu ka SIT kadang pentrekam bandum shibun kisaki satar.
Then Lokendro and this Balbir, they were produced before the Honorable Court today, and all the three accused were remanded to police custody for 6 days.
Was there any defense from their
Yes,
side?
legal aid council they agreed.
But not from Indore.
No.
Police had sought for how many days?
Police sought for 8 days. Court has granted 6 days police custody.
Any other observations from the court, sir? From
No.
the police? Thank you.
Public prosecutor and additional PP, we were present, and from the legal aid council, they appeared for all the three accused. And the Honorable Court, after hearing the parties, both state as well as the defense, that is state defense, legal aid council granted 6 days police custody for both of them.
How many days will be in the police custody? How many days?
6 days.
Yes. And then they will, after 6 days, they will come and produce again.
Yes, after 6 days.
Sir, can I have your number?